how to find old post on your Facebook timeline. So if you want to find old post on your Facebook timeline, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on profile, tap on the 3 dots, which is on the right side of your profile, and tap on manage post. Now under manage post here, you will have all of your posts, right? So you just need to simply go with filters, which is on the top left, and tap on go to, go with the drop down and select the date that you would like to find your post. So you can also go with the year, tap on the year, and then you can simply select any year that you've created your Facebook, or any year you're comfortable with, and then tap on OK and select the date and tap on OK again and tap on posted by you, others, or anyone. And privacy, you can choose public, friends, only me, or all post. And you can also turn on the tagged post so that you will be able to see the tagged post also. Now go with done, which is on the bottom, and if you have any post related to that day, then you will get all of your posts right here. So that's how you can find your old post on your Facebook timeline. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.